What if I told you someone could flood your WhatsApp with hundreds of messages and you would not even notice? Watch this video. This video is only for educational purposes. Don't try this to anyone else. It's illegal. This is just a safe demo on my own number. So how you can do that? You need a WhatsApp number and this step-by-step guide video. You can easily crack WhatsApp. You can easily send messages to any number. So first of all, just open a terminal like this and change the terminal to root. So for that, press command sudo su. Press your tell your what's Kali Linux password to that, and it's change your directory to root. So next, you can install install Python 3 on your laptop, on your device. So I already installed Python 3 on my device. So after that, you also install Python 3 pip, apt install Python 3 pip. One minute. You can show sudo apt install Python 3 pip. So you can see that I already installed it. After that, you need a clone to make your messages to this device. So for that, you open your browser and type krypton byte github. When you press enter, it will show you that. So press this krypton byte as spam wow. Press on that github link. It will take some time as your internet speed. So from that, just go to code option. It takes times to me. They also show you that how you install it by giving these commands. Go to command. These are the commands. Go to code option. 1 minute, yes. Go to code option and then copy it from here. Just copy it. Go to your terminal and write git clone and this link. Paste this link. Press enter. This are cloning into your spam words. This takes only milliseconds and then it install on your device. Then we also need this command. Uh, just copy it from here. Just copy it. Go to your terminal again and paste it here. Sorry, it's not. And paste it here. No. And again go to this. Sorry, this was not, this was Python 3. Copy it. Go to your terminal and paste it. It will also take minimal second and then install you on your PC. Press ls This will show you these commands. So I already make this to my desktop. I change the directory to desktop, then place ls. You can show that this was the folder name. I go to this folder, cd this. Now you can see that I am in the folder. Press ls command and then this will show you. Again type python 3 and the name of this folder, this file. When you press enter, this pop-up will appear. Okay, just these are all the things which you mind that this will generate uh, spam messages to your WhatsApp. Press any of it, but I prefer one. And then single number, obviously it's a single number of my number, so I press 1, enter my number. uh, this was the number. Press enter. Total spam, enter your spam, what you want to. I want to enter 10 spams, so this was sorry. I again open this. This was opening. Press 1 all and then single number, place number with your country code. Remember it, put your number with country code. Either if you are from India, press 91. Press 92 because I am from Pakistan, and then name. This was the number. Press total spams which you want to enter. Then delay times, like after how many times you enter the message again. I press enter delay 5 and this will appear to this was the message was stored to my uh, message was stored uh, to my WhatsApp number uh, which you want to enter. There are numberless messages, like 10 messages are entered into my mobile numbers which I can't tell you because it's YouTube and my video. So that's it. This is the video which is only for demonstration purposes. I only use it on my number. You can't use it for any uh, illegal purposes. So that's it for this video. Hope so you like and subscribe my channel.